Before we jump into the tutorial, it's important to know that embedding Microsoft Forms into your Wix website is a powerful way to collect responses, run surveys, gather registrations, and build interactive experiences without writing any code. This process is simple, but there are a few small details that beginners often overlook, so I'll guide you through everything step by step. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to display Microsoft Forms on a Wix website. Our first step is opening the form that you want to embed on your website in Microsoft Forms. Once you have your form opened, you want to find and click on an option that says Collect Responses. This is usually found near the top of the page. After you click on it, you'll want to look for an option that says Embed, which you'll also want to click on. At this stage, make sure your form settings, such as who can respond, time limits, or required login, match what you want your website visitors to experience. From here, Microsoft will provide you with a block of text known as an iframe code. It's crucial that you copy the entire iframe code because you will need it for the next part, embedding it on your Wix site. Now that we have the iframe code, let's switch over to your Wix site to add it. In your Wix editor, you will see a +Add button on the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on that button. When you do this, several options will appear. Look for the Embed Code option, and within that, select Embed HTML. Once you do this, a new element will appear somewhere on your page. I want you to click on this new element, and there should be an option to Enter Code or Edit Code. The text will vary based on your site, but look for either option. If you plan to use multiple forms across different pages, it's a good idea to keep your iframe codes saved somewhere safe for future updates. Now paste the iframe code you previously copied from Microsoft Forms into the box that is opened. Once you have pasted the code, click Update, which will confirm and save the changes. There are a couple more steps we need to ensure we take to make sure our form is displayed correctly. First, resize and reposition your new embed element. You want to make sure that the form appears correctly on your page and no parts are cut off. This will take some trial and error to get it just right. Next, we want to make sure the form is working as expected, so click the Preview button. This allows you to see the form as it will appear on your live site and test it out. If the form is displaying properly and functioning as expected, the final step is to publish your updates by clicking on the Publish button. This will make the changes live, and the Microsoft form should now be visible on your website. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully displayed Microsoft Forms on your Wix website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy web building. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what other Wix tools you want me to cover. Maybe Google Forms, Calendly, Airtable, or custom HTML widgets. Your suggestions help shape future tutorials.